everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you the Improvers Solo Slow Waltz practice routine number 4. This was taught in this morning's class and that is the 1st of August 2022. So if you're looking in my video library for the full 90-minute class, it was slow waltz and cha-cha-cha, and this was the short slow waltz practice routine. As always, I'm not going to be dancing it with music because I will be uploading this onto YouTube as well. So let's make a little start. Front left hand side of the space that's available to you. Going back for a back basic on the left or a closed change. Right foot forwards into ladies footwork for a spin turn. Forwards, brush in and brush out. That adds rotation so that I'm facing the back of the room. We're working more with additional rotation now in the improvers classes rather than facing always at the front. Forwards, left, exit. Reverse turning, back, forwards, and one more back, facing the front. Left foot check to the corner, and a right foot stepping through to the left corner and a big long drag. Let's do all of that again. I shall count us in. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, forwards, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, check, 2, 3, drag, 2, 3. Now remember that drag is coming a little bit more from our American smooth styling, so forwards and long stride and drag through to the front, okay? Second section, back lockstep. So this next section has some artistic license, some improvisation from some various steps, not strictly everything as it would be danced with a partner in the ballroom. I'm just going to put that light on. I wonder why I was looking a little bit dark. I am missing the studio light, my goodness. Looking at the monitor over there, I'm thinking, oh, that looks a little bit dark. Okay, so I'm going to go back on 1. I'm going to lock step 2 and 3, like I would do actually in quick step. Okay, I'm going to do the lock step on the 2 and 3. I know a lot of our lock steps in slow waltz are done on the 1 and 2. So before anyone says anything in the comments, let's do that again. And 1, 2, and 3. Small check forwards on the left. Replace the weight on the right and a little point out to the side. I'm then going to do a turning lock. Take this foot straight through on the toe. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, there we go. Let's do that section again, section 2, going back. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Next section, I'm going to continue on here. Another little forwards check, left, right, left. And I'm going to start by going backwards and now 9 steps of a weave. Okay, so an additional bar in there. Back, forwards, open, open, back, back, open, forwards. Let's do that section again. Little check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with extra rotation and facing to what is your right wall. I'm then going to do leader's footwork for the open telemark, which is basically the same as our spin turn footwork. Forwards, side brushing, head out, and a nice big long forwards closed change on right foot basic to finish. Okay, I know there's a lot of content there. This is a short summary. We broke this down a lot slower and more repetitive in the class and did it lots with the music as well. So let's put it all together. And back, spin turn, forwards exit, reverse turning, back on the right, forwards on the left, back on the right, corner check, left foot, long drag in, lock in, and here, check in to a point, turning lock, next check, weave motion for 9, open telemark, on the leaders' footwork and close. Remember, we're going between leaders and followers' footwork, ladies and gents' footwork. I'm going to count that now with the numbers. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3. Forwards, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3. Check, 2, 3. Drag, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go, guys. So that was our improved slow waltz practice routine number 4, taught in our online Zoom class on the 1st of August 22. If you're looking for that in my full video library, and if you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like, or the notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading videos and YouTube knows that you're enjoying this content. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.